Look at this thing, man. Oh my God.
Oh, look, my back tire.
Yeah, your tires got kind of screwed.
All my tires and freaking. Okay, no, that's all. No one put a tire back in my car.
Someone put a tire in your car?
In the back, yeah.
Is this the last guy you hit?
No, he was going for a while, but then my car died.
This is great, man. That
If I should have hit people from the back.
Yeah, you should have. See, your back isn't really that messed up.
No.
You like, look at that guy. Look at number.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I should have done that.
Yeah.
Oh, that car wow.
Get some interior shots here.
Yeah. Oh God, like nothing happened in here. Oh, look at all the dirt in my seat.
Did you get hurt at all?
Hurt? No, not at all.
That's awesome.
I was actually really worried. Checking the engine.
Jeez. Can the hood come up?
Yeah.
So much for our wiring job, huh?
Yeah. Well, no, that one.
Yeah, that one just ripped the bottom part off.
God, that's a hatchet job right there.
This was cool. Okay, man, we record enough?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, number 24. You don't want to say farewell to the old Camry?
I'm gone. I don't want to look at it again.
Okay. We're done. That's the end of that chapter.